Hi there, welcome to this tutorial on our new multi-choice quiz generator. Nice and simple, no frills, just a simple multi-choice quiz on the screen for in your class or for creating a worksheet. Here we are on the front screen, so I'm just going to show you before we start how we actually input questions, and then I'll show you how to use the actual quiz itself. So I'll scroll down to this slide here, slide number 12. Really important, this table here. This is the engine behind what we're doing here. There's a table there for inputting your questions. Column 1 has the question, column 2 has the correct answer, and then columns 3, 4 and 5 have 3 incorrect answers. So you input your questions and your answers onto this table. You can cut and paste from a Word table if you've written it somewhere else. Make sure you cut and paste it into this table though, and then after you've edited, you click this button at the top here and it infills the whole quiz. So I've just done that again just to make sure that we're ready. That little button as well randomized where the correct answer will turn up, either A, B, C or D. And fairly simply, those 10 questions now have been put into our set of slides and we can go through them one at a time up on the screen, just using our space bar or our mouse clicker or whatever it is that you use to move up forwards with your PowerPoint presentation. So here's our first question. I'm using my standard set of general knowledge quiz questions. Here's my first one here. There's no timer here, so we can take as long as we want. Open this question up to the class, let the class write down their answer, whatever way you want to do it. Another thing to note very quickly here, the title of my quiz, it says here general knowledge multi-choice quiz, was also inputted into that table as well, so that we know exactly what the quiz is all about. So we've gone through the question. The song An Englishman in New York was about which man? And then we'll get our answers back from the question from the students. We'll press our spacebar again to reveal the answer, Quentin Crisp in this case, and we'll move on to question 2. There we go. That's straightforward. Here's our second question, same process. Find out what the correct answer is, and then move on to question 3. And repeat that then for all 10 questions. Okay, the nice thing that this quiz does though, if you want to use it in a slightly different way, as well as generating the slides for you to run it as a presentation in class, it also generates some worksheets. So the same table generates a set of 10 questions over the course of 2 pieces of paper. Again, the correct answer has been randomized, so it's turning up at A, B, C or D throughout the questions. Here's sheet 1, here's sheet 2. And then if you want to, you can print off and hand out an answer sheet as well, with a little space for students to make notes as well. There you have it, our simple general multi-choice quiz.